How to remove card from Google Wallet. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. Removing card from Google Wallet is quick and easy. So to do that, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Google Wallet app. Now search for the card that you want to remove. So here, tap on this payment method located on top of your screen. And then you will see all of your cards saved on Google Wallet. So select whatever card you want to remove. So here, let me select this one. And then on top right hand side of your screen, you will see this three dot icon, so tap on it. Now you will see this page, so on bottom of your screen, you will find this option remove payment method, so tap on it. And then you will see this pop up remove card from wallet, so simply tap on remove. And once you tap on it, the card will be successfully removed from a Google Wallet. So this is how you can remove cards from Google Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.